What's up guys, today we're doing a cookup video. I haven't been posting for a while now and I figured wanna try something new, so I'm gonna teach you guys how to actually make, no, not teach, I'm just gonna break down a beat I just made, and it's like a very Detroit type beat, so it's going to be 170 BPM, so I'm gonna break down it for you. Alright, let's go. So first of all, I upgraded this beat without even using many plugins. I used it all stock plugins. So if I can do this, and I am not that good at making beats, so if I can do this, you can do this. Alright, so first of all, I get this Bosendorfer Light. This is a piano from Flex and it's free, so I actually lay down this melody, so let's hear it, guys. Alright, now sounding gas already, bro. So I added fresh air to heighten the higher frequencies. I added reverb. I add EQ. Oh, this is, oh, nothing for that. And I add EQ to remove the basses. So this is how it sounds like now. And right now, let's go to another session. The next element, we have the full brass sustain, also from Flex, and it's free, so you have no excuse. All right, let's go. So I just do a very simple notes. You can hear it right now. Yeah, giving me the dark vibe. I added reverb. I boost out the mid frequencies a little bit. I don't know, man. I just mix things that I thought sound good, so it's just how it is. And I added these. I don't know, man. I'm just messing around and remove the bass a little bit, so it sounds like this. Alright. Sounding gas already, bro. So let's now jump into. Oh, I also have all strings sustain, also from Flex. Free preset, guys. Free plugin. Just use free stuff. Alright, guys. Hey. So now I laid a bit of like a lead going on. Okay, I added reverb always. And remove the bass a little bit. So the melody, they sound like this, guys. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Very simple. I don't really mix complicated melodies. So let's jump right into the drums. We have a nutty snare. Okay, it's smacking. Okay, it's smacking, guys. So now we get like a clap to make it like a counter clap, counter snare of some kind, like a perk. Alright, what do we have? And then a snare, like a counter snare again. Alright, now that we have all three, and now we add an open hat. Alright, now we add the hi-hats. Alright, now we add the bass. This is a Detroit bass, I guess. Wow. So I do it just in this bar right here. I don't do it at the end. And then here comes the spin short LA that can make your brain go crazy, bro. You hear it? I just put out the low mid a little bit. Ooh, a bounce. It's bouncing already. And I added the like a snare roll. I do it pretty lazy. If you like do it more complicatedly, you can do it in the piano rolls. So I just do it here. Very simple stuff. And I add this riser. It's just the like cute. Oh no. It's just a very generic riser. You're gonna hear it, guys. So let's hear it. From here to here. Alright, let's go. Alright, now that we have everything ready, now it's time to hear the whole thing. So I first start with the this is an intro, and then this is the like a hook, and then the verse, and then like a bridge, and then a hook again. So let's see how it sounds. Alright guys, before playing, just want to say like and subscribe for more content like this so I can know if you guys really like this type of content. Alright, let's do this. No more chit chat. Alright. Now get ready, guys. This be about to drop. Let's go. Yeah. Drop. Here we go. So guys, this is basically it, the full beat. So if you like this content, like I said, subscribe for more, hit the like, hit it, and then comment. Bye.